Peace and blessings. Welcome back to the channel where I guide your wellness journey toward a more natural way of living and healing. Today we are talking about okra water, the benefits that will blow your mind. I started doing this nearly 8 years ago and a friend asked, why drink slimy water? So this one is inspired by them. Stick around. I explain how to make it, how much to drink, and when to drink it at the end. First, let's start with origin and why our ancestors valued this plant. Okra originates in West Africa. Many brought the seeds with them during the diaspora. They even carried seeds in their hair to replant, food as medicine. Think of moving planets. What seeds would you take? For me, okra is essential. Because it has seeds, many consider okra a fruit. And those seeds carry resilience. Now let us jump into what happens if you drink okra water 5 days straight. Number 1, improved digestion. That slime is mucilage, a soluble fiber that soothes the gut. It calms inflammation, helps IBS, reduces bloating and improves bowel movements. Think of it as putting out the fire in the gut. Fiber is required for healthy stool. Try it for a few mornings and observe digestion changes. Number 2, stabilizes blood glucose. Okra lowers fasting glucose and softens dangerous spikes and drops. It contains polyphenols and flavonoids that help control blood sugar. Controlling blood sugar also aids healthy weight and steady energy. Number 3 is about your kidneys. Number 3, okra water acts as a natural diuretic and helps flush kidneys. Proper flushing reduces uric acid concentration and supports kidney health. This is relevant for blood pressure and slowing kidney damage progression. Simple natural hydration with a diuretic effect. Number 4 is energy. Number 4, a clear energy boost. Okra water is hydrating and helps cellular hydration without puffiness. When cells hydrate correctly, blood flow improves and fatigue decreases. You should notice clearer energy within days. Number 5 affects your appearance. Number 5, a skin glow up. Hydration plus kidney flushing reduces toxin load, skin and hair benefit. Many notice fewer blemishes and brighter skin after a few days. It's also supportive for hair strength and nails. Number 6 supports immunity. Number 6, okra water is rich in antioxidants and phenolic compounds. It has antibacterial effects against common bugs like E. coli and staph. Boosting immunity reduces low-grade infections and chronic fatigue. Antioxidants protect tissue and lower inflammation. Number 7 is for the ladies and for many men too. Number 7, okra contains phytoestrogens, natural plant estrogens. It provides folate and B vitamins important in pregnancy and cycles. Historically, okra water was used to support pregnancy progression in some cultures. Women reported reduced PMS, more regular cycles and eased menopausal symptoms. Number 8 helps with weight management. Number 8, its soluble fiber promotes satiety and supports weight loss. By stabilizing blood sugar and insulin, it reduces fat storage signals. Hydration plus fiber helps you feel fuller and eat less. Use alongside healthy habits for best results. Finally, number 9. Number 9, increased libido for both women and men. Many report improved intimacy. Think of okra water as a simple ritual that brings you closer. Hydration, stable hormones and energy all support sexual health. So those are the 9 benefits you can start to notice in a short challenge. Now, in part 2, I show you exactly how I make it, how much to drink and when to drink it. Here is how I make okra water. Simple ingredients: fresh okra and natural spring water. Step 1. Fill the jar half full with okra pods. I use a 32-ounce jar and fill to the halfway line with okra. Step 2. Top the jar with natural spring water. Crucial: soak for 12 to 24 hours so mucilage releases into the water. You only need 16 ounces a day. Half of a 32-ounce jar is sufficient. I sometimes make more, but 16 ounces daily on an empty stomach is the effective dose. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best absorption. Try one day and notice. Try the 5-day challenge to truly observe benefits. Consistency is key. The mucilage builds overnight. Not a fan of texture? Add a slice of lime or orange to change perception. It tastes like water to many. If texture bothers you, strain or sip slowly. It is still medicinal either way. You can strain the water if you prefer, no bits. The benefits remain. Find what works for you and keep it enjoyable. Now, how to store and reuse. Store in the coolest part of your fridge. It can last several days. I keep mine around 6 to 7 days. Check smell and consistency regularly. We don't waste. Once you finish the water, cook and eat the okra. Cook gently. Avoid charring or deep frying to preserve nutrients. Enjoy it as a side. There are nutrients left in the pods. Great for people with IBS, pre-diabetes, low energy, or women seeking hormonal support. If you have medical conditions or take medications, check with your healthcare provider first. Remember, 16 ounces daily on an empty stomach. Don't overdo it. Track your results. Digestion, energy, sleep, skin and mood. If you try it, come back and tell us what you noticed. A simple 5-day plan. Drink 16 ounces each morning, hydrate through the day, eat balanced meals. Many people begin noticing changes within 3 to 5 days. Add lime for taste, strain if texture bothers you, and reuse the pods by cooking them. Small rituals create big ripple effects for your health. Final thoughts on how you can join the community. Okra water is a simple, plant-based practice with many potential benefits. Improved digestion, blood sugar balance, kidney flush, more energy, glowing skin, immunity, hormonal balance, weight support and libido. If you tried it, comment below. Tell us your results. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Plant medicine teaches us that food is medicine. Okra is a perfect example. Until next time, peace and blessings and Godspeed.